The following video is an Amada turret punch Pega 244, serial number AP440109. It's new 1989.
Okay, we're going to show a program of automatic operation. It's a loop program. Locks tip. That should go. Machine's quiet. It has a hydraulic ram. Well, hydraulic clutch and brake. It's a crankshaft. It's one of the better ones. Want some light on it? Does that help?
Turret's clean.
The turret's in very good condition. I don't feel any bore wear on any of the stations. It's very clean, has a very little usage.
Can you rotate the...
Tools are tight. It's part of the machine, so good shape. The hydraulic unit is on the side.
Can you run a program again for me, Coach? Yes, sir.
It's going to come in now?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
One more time. Show the hour meters on the machine.
Even if you notice, these lights are new.
Again, that's an Amada turret punch, Pega 244, serial number AP440109. It's new 1989. Again, serial number AP440109. New 1989.